Are you thinking about adding a room divider to your dollhouse? You have clicked the right video. I will show you how to make it completely out of cardboard. As a bonus, I will also show you how to make it out of wood using a laser cutter. This will speed up the process while adding precise detail and accuracy to this and many other projects that would not be possible to do by hand. Here are the measurements of the frame. First, cut out the middle of the frame. Save these pieces to use for the slats. Glue these pieces to another piece of cardboard and cut it out. Make lines 5 mm apart on the cardboard. Do this on all 3 pieces. These will be the slats. For the frame, we will glue 4 layers together of cereal box cardboard to get the proper thickness. Put a heavy object on the frame for a couple of hours to ensure the frame stays straight. Measure from this point and mark lines 5 mm down as shown. These will be used to line up the slats for gluing. Glue the slats on the marks, then use tweezers to tilt the slat about 45 degrees. Make 4 the same. I decided to add shelves to the divider to allow you to display items on it. Create a circular sector using a protractor and a compass as shown. Make 4 shelves of 4 layers each. Now we have all the parts. Glue the shelves onto the flat parts of the frame as shown. To connect the 2 sections of frames together, we will use a piece of paper cut as shown. To paint it, I used white as a base, then gold paint as a touch-up. Now here is the screen made out of wood, using the xTool F1 laser engraver and cutter. This machine really saved me time and allowed me to make this project stronger and more accurately. You can easily design your projects using their included XCS software. Their included material settings allows you to pick the right settings to get perfect cuts or engraves every time. Go to our other channel, Durand's Designs, to get more in-depth tutorials on how to use this machine and software. Framing your cuts or engraves is easy with the F1 using the framing feature. Cuts are fast and precise, allowing you to cut out almost any shape with repeatable accuracy. The F1 is an amazing machine that is portable and fast, allowing you to cut and engrave over 300 materials, including wood, paper, plastic, metal, and more. We will have a link in the description below where you can buy this machine. These are affiliate links. I get a small amount of money if you use this link. This really helps this channel and costs nothing extra to you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out our Durand Designs Etsy store, as we are adding new products all the time. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. I will see you next time.